Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you how to organize your plugins, make them easier to see, easier to pick, making everything faster, quicker, way louder, way better. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you is loading up a parametric EQ. It's the only one in this list named P because I named them specifically, and I'll show you how to do that later. But if I press the P key, it'll load up a parametric EQ. Also has a high pass enabled because that's the default I saved it as. I'll show you how to do that as well. If I want to get another EQ, I press E. It toggles between EQ and Edison. That's fine because all I have to do is press E twice and I can load an Edison. Done with that. Also, Fruity Limiter is the only one with an L. Actually, I called it Limiter Fruity. If I press L, it'll load it up. Also, default settings I have here, ceiling all the way up, keep attack and release at the 12 o'clock position. Ratio, I keep around 2 at first, and then I want to bring down the threshold when I'm ready to compress. Now, how to do this. First two windows you want to open are users, your username, documents, image line, FL Studio presets, plugin database. And then the other one is your users, your username, documents, image line, FL Studio presets, plugin presets effects. Now these are where when you save any preset, it's going to auto create a folder and put it in. So let's start with Maximus. All right, and then maybe a few slight changes I want to make is make this attack on each of the bands at the 12 o'clock position. Everything else is pretty good on the default, and I want to save it. So I save the preset. Let's save it as default, and then I should put my name. Sweet. Now I'm going to look back into here. I should find the Maximus plugin presets right there. I'm going to make a so then I'm going to find Maximus in here in the plugin database. The Maximus is an effect. I'm going to go into here. It's a dynamics effect, and there's Maximus right here. By the way, easy enough. You can just rename these files. I put an underscore so that they don't show up when I want to press that first letter. But Maximus I do want to load when I press M. So this is how it reads also the default preset. So what I want to do here is take that one I saved earlier. I'm just going to copy it. Take that copy. Take the Maximus actually. Copy that. Paste that name in there. And I'm just going to leave that in here too. So because why not? Always good to have saves in multiple places. Then I'm going to replace this file, copy, paste, and replace that file. Now, every time I load in a new Maximus, just press M and press Enter. It should have those same settings, 12 o'clock position, and you can do this for any plugin. I recommend saving that preset first, and then it should just populate a folder in here for even third-party plugins. Go into here. By the way, third-party plugins end up in here actually in this in the plugin database. It's under effect, and we got my supercharger, guitar rig, blah blah blah. There's actually, let's see, it also makes other stuff. Let's see, X mastering. There's Ozone. So sometimes it puts it in other places, but that's the quick tip. It should make looking at and loading things a lot easier. I use double or triple underscores for stuff I very rarely ever use to kind of keep my eyes on the prize. Also going to link down Elijah's channel, who inspired me to make this video. He was the one who showed how to make default presets. He goes into compression settings a little better than I did, but I just want to take it one step further with the automatic naming. So give his channel a look at. Definitely very high quality stuff.